Hi, Mom.
Nice job.
Nice.
I have to go. And John's dad dropped him off down over there just now. So I'm going to walk up there in a little bit, but we're in no hurry to get going.
Okay.
So everybody can eat, do the rest of sparklers, whatever. We can slowly pick up while I walk up and meet John.
Okay.
There's traffic. I better just sit here and
Yeah.
try to fight it.
Yeah.
So if I'm gone, that's what we're doing.
Okay. Well, come on. It's for Lux and Joseph. They can't see you. They can see the silhouette of your... They really just see these.
Okay, I'm heading up.
Yeah, Lux wanted things that went boom.
I hate sometimes. They go up and like,
Then they just die.
and they go out. It's like, wow.
See, on this, that looks just like flares. Really bright flares. A lightning bug just landed on my hand.